Well, this breaking input is also pertinent to the showdown in Kolkata where Sayan Lahiri, who spearheaded the movement in the name of Paschim Banga Chhatra Samaj, has now been arrested by Kolkata police yesterday. Now, rioting and conspiracy charges have been levelled against him. Meanwhile, after BJP called for a bandh today, sufficient police presence, including women officers, are now included in the bandopats today. Now, police personnel deployed in key areas to prevent forceful bandh is also being arranged by the government and authorities on the ground. So these are the latest inputs that we are tracking at this point of time, where Sayan Lahiri, who spearheaded the movement in the name of Paschim Banga Chhatra Samaj, has now been arrested by Kolkata police yesterday, and rioting and conspiracy charges have been levelled against him. Now, joining us on the broadcast is our colleague Kamalika Sen-Gupta with more details and inputs on this. A very good morning, Kamalika. What more do we know about this crucial arrest that was made last night by Kolkata police?
Basically, Sayan Lahiri, he was spearheading the movement of Paschim Banga Chhatra Samaj. And yesterday he was arrested. The fact is, it was leveled, the charges of rioting and conspiracy has been leveled against him, because according to the police sources, that they actually said that it will be a peaceful movement, which was not. And also the fact that it was the whatever movement they did, it was illegal because they did not sought any permission. This led to huge scale law and order situation in various places. So on the basis of that, as a conspirator and also for creating riot in various places in Calcutta, that's why he's been arrested. What we are coming to know that more than 200 people in Calcutta and Howrah in total have been arrested in yesterday's incident. Now today there is a bandh, and that's been called by BJP. On the other hand, the government is trying everything so that this bandh does not take place. Government has given special circulars to government employees that come what may, they have to come to the office today, and if they fail to come, show cause notices will be issued for government employee. So the government employee has to come today. More transport, public transport, that means government transport, will be plied on road. Right. That's what we are getting. From the morning, we are also getting in information that there are certain places where the BJP supporters are there on roads. Today also there is Trinamool Chhatra Parishad's birthday, and Mamata Banerjee and Abhishek Banerjee is going to give their speeches there. We'll really have to see that a lot of supporters of Trinamool Congress will also come today. BJP will also be on roads. There is an apprehension of again a showdown today. So we'll have to really wait and watch.
Right, Kamalika, you just pointed out that in lieu of the protests that were taking place in Kolkata yesterday, there was a lot of law and order disruption made, especially in regards to the permissions that were not being taken by the authorities. Now, BJP has also called for a bandh today. What is the situation like on the ground at the moment where you're reporting from?
See, right now it's early in the morning, and there are couple of, as you can see, that couple of cars they are plying. We really have to see that as the day proceeds, how this 12-hour bandh takes place. That we'll really have to see. But right now, as it is also a morning time, so a couple of cars applied, but it is going to be a challenge for the government to actually not allow the bandh. On the other hand, it will be a challenge for BJP also to make this bandh happen. And the factor is that we know that yesterday in the evening, the ADG Law and Order have given instruction to police officer that if there is any forceful bandh if any protesters trying to do that, then that will be stopped. On the other hand, Shukanta Mojumdar has said that it is people's bandh. People will come out in the roads and they will make the bandh successful. So we'll really have to see what happens today. Again, exactly maybe an action day we will see today.
Right, Kamalika, thank you so much for bringing in all those details. We'll continue to track as in when we get more inputs on this, but it'll be interesting to watch how the day unfolds, especially amidst such clashes there on the ground. But now let's take a look at some of the reactions we've been getting on this report.
हम लोग को हाथ जोड़ करके मिनती कर रहे जाने के लिए, समर्थन करने के लिए, आज गाड़ी ना चलाने के लिए। पुलिस तो ममता बनर्जी का चमचा है, सरकार के है, वो तो करेगा अपना काम, लेकिन उनको भी थोड़ा सा ये ध्यान देना चाहिए कि उनका घर में भी बेटी है। आज अभया के साथ जो हुआ है कल उनके घर में भी हो सकता है, तब प्रतिवाद हम लोग ही करेंगे। धन्यवाद दादा, धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद माँ, धन्यवाद।
Well, shifting our focus.